Hey, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. In today's video, I will be demoing the new Fenty Pro Kisser Lip Balm in the shade Hint Hint, as well as I will be demoing the new Poutsicle Satin Lipstick by Fenty in the shade Hot Blooded. If you want to see how these turned out and how these shades looked on me, stay tuned. Love you guys. This is the Fenty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm by Fenty. And this is going to be in the shade Hint Hint. Also, I picked up the new Satin lipstick, and it's called Poutsicle Juicy Satin Lipstick by Fenty. The packaging on there is super cute. Oh, and the color is going to be Hot Blooded. Now, I know they came out with several other shades. Let me just make sure so I can have exactly how many shades they came out with. They came out with 7 shades of the Poutsicle lipsticks. They have it in Motorboat, Gold Deep, Popsicle, Trappa, Tantrum, Alpha Doll, and Sun Snatched, and Hot Blooded. I got Hot Blooded because the other colors to me were too bright and I didn't know if I would ever really wear them other than just for taking pictures. And so I just wanted to get something that was practical. Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. So I'm going to try on the lip balm first so I can see what it looks like without any color, because I didn't get the lip scrub because I already have a Too Faced lip scrub and I didn't want to rebuy another lip scrub when I haven't even finished the one that I already have. So I didn't feel like that was going to be a buy that I had to have, but I definitely wanted to try out this red because it's very hard to find a good red in lipstick. So fingers crossed that this red is a true red like the other colors, because the other colors looked bomb. So let's try this out. So I'm going to try it. Oh, they also came out with some eyeliner. I think that's what this is. Correct me if I'm wrong. Gel eyeliner in like bright colors. Let me see. So they also came out with those, but I just wanted the lip products. So that's what I was there for. I was there for the lip products. And that's what I got. So the first thing that we're going to try out is the Luscious Lip Balm by Fenty. So we're going to see how this holds up. I want to see if this compares to Gloss Bomb, because I got like 5 or 6 Gloss Bombs and I just want to know. So this is what the very nice packaging. And I like this little shape. This little shape right here is super cute. And then it has like FB written right here, which is super cute. Okay, so let's try this on. Oh, this is the first time. Oh. Ooh. This smells bomb. This smells good. I like how it, if you can see it, I like how it does, like it goes like that. Boom. Oh. Oh, I like this. Oh yeah. And it smells good. It's like a vanilla cookie smell. This smells good. Very good. Go get this. This right here. Oh, now this might replace Gloss Bomb because this has no shimmer to it. Like how Gloss Bomb has a tint and shimmer to. If you didn't like that part of Gloss Bomb, you will love this. Yes, this is good, y'all. Okay, so let me take this off and then we're gonna try the Poutsicle Satin Lipstick by Fenty. They had a red, well, what I thought was red in the Stunner lip paint, but it was more like of an orange, like it wasn't a true red. So hopefully this will be the perfect red that I'm looking for. Let's see. I'm sorry, I hope I don't mess up the box. I haven't opened this. We just gonna go tear it open. Tear the box open. Oh, this is cute packaging. See this? This is very, very nice packaging. Oh, this is cute. It has FB in the middle. That's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna apply this. I'm not putting anything. There's no more, nothing on my lips. And we are going to try this on. All right, y'all. Wish me luck. Ooh. Oh my God. This is super cute. I didn't put any lip liner on. I just wanted to try out the colors because I was so excited. So I hurried up and waited until I got back home so I could show you guys and we could see it together. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. It's like a pinup color, like. So I'm going to end this video on this color because this is the color that I really wanted to check for. If you don't do color, go get this lip balm, okay? If you like the gloss balm but without the shimmer, get this. You will be in love. And it's like some kind of tropical lip gloss, and it's called Hint Hint, which